Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how the timer function works on an Electrolux Induction Hob. Model number up on screen now, but a similar process will apply to other models. So right now, let's pretend we're cooking these two things here. So we have this one on number 4 and we'll put this one to number 2 here. To set the timer so that they will go off automatically when the timer goes off, we're first of all going to hit the timer button here, the clock button in the middle, and we have to keep pressing it to cycle through the different hobs because we have 4 different ones here. We want this one here, so we're going to press and press until it's there. We're then going to hold the plus button to count on the minutes and the minus button to count down the minutes. If we were to hold on to the plus button, it will go quicker and then it will start going up in 5s. The maximum we can have is 99. So that's the maximum one there. So let's set this one to 1 minute just so I can show you the sound going off, and it will turn off automatically. So now watch this. It will flash fast, but then after a few more seconds it will start flashing slowly. There we go. Now that's counting down. We can actually adjust the temperature in the meantime. It will still turn itself off after the timer's up here. So after 1 minute, it will turn itself off. Now, let's say if you want to do this one here, we can do that one as well while this one is doing here. Just hit it again, and you can now see that that one's flashing there. So let's do this one to 2 minutes. Now this is flashing, so we're back down to this one here. And there, it's turned itself off, and it's making a noise to let us know. So you can see here, it's not on here anymore. Hit the clock button to cancel that one. And now you can see this one's flashing because now this is the next one that's being timed. And when the minute is up, which should be about another 20 seconds or so, you will see it will start making a noise and these 2 lights will go out. So it will automatically turn itself off. And you can do this on all 4 of the hobs. There we go. Yeah, this is beeping at you and it's turned itself off. Hit the clock button here and now it's all off there. So that's how to use the timer on your Electrolux Induction Hob. Thanks for watching.